Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. When doing tutorials, or better yet when watching tutorials, I myself have found that seeing an example helps me to understand quicker. So for this example, I'll be using this profile right here, and you can see that this person is doing affiliate marketing and they are promoting projectors. So all they do, as you can see an example of their pin right here, they post a picture of a projector, and you can see what they have written right here. As an affiliate, I may collect a share of sales or other compensation from links on this page. And if we were to go onto their Pinterest homepage, as you can see right here, they are getting over 349,000 monthly views, as Pinterest is one of the most underrated sources of traffic when it comes onto the internet. But don't sleep on Pinterest, as a lot of persons are using Pinterest for browsing. So for example, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb and search on Pinterest traffic, and by the way, SimilarWeb is a platform that anyone can go on to see the traffic of any website. All you have to do is simply paste in the website name. As you can see that I've added pinterest.com, and from there you'll be able to see when the website was created, also an approximate amount of how many employees they have, and also where their headquarters is located. But by scrolling down, you'll be able to see the amount of monthly views that they get, and you can see that Pinterest is getting approximately 985 million monthly views, and you can see that persons are staying for an average duration of 5 minutes. And also most of their traffic is coming from tier 1 countries. So you can see right here, on average they are getting 1 billion views per month, and most of their traffic, as I said, you can see it is coming from tier 1 country, as you can see that it is coming from the United States. So Pinterest is definitely a good source of traffic. So all you'll need to do is go onto Pinterest, and I would recommend that you create a business account, which is very easy to do. All you need to do is go up to the top left hand corner. So let me go into my profile real quick, and you can see at the moment I have a business account. And the reason why I recommend creating a business account on Pinterest is because it makes it easy for you to track the analytics, for example the clicks and so on that your links get. So this is my profile, and you can see that it is a business account. And to create a business account, all you'll have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and from there you could go into settings, or you can tap on business and you'll be able to set it up. It is quite straightforward. But back to the main topic. So as you can see right here, again with our example, this person posts these type of pins, but instead of linking directly to their affiliate offer, instead they link to their website, and I would recommend that you do that also. While you can link directly to your affiliate offer, it would be best if you link directly to your website for 2 reasons. The first reason is persons will be able to see more stuff on your website. So for example, let's say someone were to go onto this website from the projector link. You can scroll down right here and you'll be able to see the top 3 picks. So if you are not interested in the direct projector that you have clicked on, you will see 2 other options. And the second option why I recommend that you create a website and paste the link in Pinterest instead of the affiliate link directly is this right here. This is an ad, and this is an ad also. So even if the person does go onto your website and they don't make a purchase, you'll still make some money, as they'll view native ads right here, and you'll be able to get some money by doing that. So you will see that even if you don't get affiliate sales, which I hope you do, you'll still be able to make some money. Now that I have you thinking about creating a website, I'll show you how to do that real quick. All you'll need to do is go onto sites.google.com, and from here you'll be able to create a free website. Yes, you heard me correctly, completely free. You don't have to pay for hosting or anything like that. all you'll need to do is tap on blank right here. All you have to do is tap on blank right here, and you can start uploading the content that you want to promote. So for example, I created a quick website that you can see right here, and this website I got all of the content, believe it or not, created using AI. So you can see right here I created an article on the top 5 projectors under $500, and to do this all I did was go onto ChatGPT. All I did was go onto ChatGPT and I typed in, write an article describing the top 5 projectors under $500. And this is what it came up with, as you can see right here. It came up with a very informative article, as you can see right here. And they list the top 5 projectors under $500. And I simply copy and paste the information. And as you can guess, I'm doing Amazon affiliate marketing, and to sign up to Amazon affiliate marketing is quite easy. All you would need to do is go into your browser, type in Amazon affiliate program, then from there you'll tap right where you will see Amazon Associates Central, and you can quickly sign up using your email address. And if you already have an Amazon account, you could use your current Amazon account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this platform. And by the way, if you are wondering the commission that you'll be able to get with Amazon, so let me show you the commission real quick. As you can see right here, let me go into it real quick right here. As you can see, on average, if you are selling Amazon products, for example, like the Amazon Fire tablet or so on, you will get a 4% commission. And also, if you are in the beauty niche, you'll get 10%. And the beautiful thing about Amazon and their affiliate program is you get a 30-day cookie duration, meaning that if someone were to go onto your website, tap on your affiliate link, up to 30 days after tapping on that affiliate link, if they were to go onto Amazon and make a purchase, you will still be able to get a commission. And to use their affiliate program is quite easy. The interface is quite easy. For example, once on Amazon, all you would have to do is type in the product name that you would like to promote. Once you have done that, you'll go over to the top left hand corner right where you see get link, and you could tap on text. After you have tapped on text, from there you will see a small box pop up, and you can simply copy your affiliate link. It is that straightforward, as you can see right here. And you'll simply paste this link, whether you want to do it directly on Pinterest or you want to create a website like what I suggest, which you can easily do, as I said earlier. So this is my affiliate link right here. If someone were to go onto my website and click on it and make a purchase, I would be able to get a commission. Another thing that I would also recommend you do, otherwise from creating a website, I would also recommend that you create a YouTube channel. As with the YouTube channel, again, you'll be able to get organic traffic, and you'll also be able to make more sales, as persons will go onto YouTube, type into the search bar for best projectors or whichever affiliate product that you're promoting. Persons will go onto YouTube and type in searching for it. As you can see right here, this person right here is promoting Amazon affiliate products, and all they do is simply post still photos, and you can see right here the top 5 best squat rack and so on, and they put the affiliate link in the description, and that's it. So all you need to do is create a Pinterest account, and as I said, I recommend that you create a business Pinterest account, and you would do pins just like this, which you can create on Canva, and you're going to put your website link, and you're going to redirect them to your website, and you're going to redirect them onto your website. And once on your website, if they were to tap on your affiliate link, they will be redirected to the offer, and you'll be able to make a commission. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.